Well, hey guys, what's going on? It's Mike from Cruise Bed Adventures here, and I'm coming at you with another travel vlog. And this time, I'm basically doing a review of the Clarion Pointe Hotel on the Seawall in Galveston, Texas. And I stayed there a couple of weeks ago. I went down on a Monday, checked out on a Wednesday just for a little getaway. And so, going to give you my review and of how it went. So let's get started. First of all, the location was the big reason why I chose that hotel. It's If you know anything about the Galveston and the Seawall area, you know that you'd be familiar with the pleasure pier, and so Clarion Pointe Hotel sits pretty much catty corner from the pleasure pier, right on the seawall. So I mean, you're an easy walking distance to the Pleasure Point Pier. You got Murdoch's gift shop right there, and so you've got a lot of things happening. It's pretty much right next door to the Grand Galvez Hotel, also, just for a point of reference. I got it for it was about $80 a night with taxes and everything included, so not too bad considering the location. It was April, so it's not the dead of summer, so there wasn't a lot of big crowds down there. So I'm assuming if you book it in the summertime, you're probably going to expect to have a higher rate than that. Parking was pretty abundant. I had no trouble getting in and out of there. Plenty of place. I drive a full size truck, and I was able to get in and out of there no problem. Plenty of spaces, plenty of room. But again, this wasn't during the summer, so maybe in the summer it might be a little tighter. Going into the hotel, the front desk, a lot of times, you might encounter some rude folks at a hotel. But I have to say, at this hotel, the hotel staff was polite, professional, very helpful, answered all my questions, and so no complaints there. Right next to the front desk, the registration desk, is a little convenience store that the hotel has. And basically, they have sodas, water. I think they even had beer, if I'm remembering correctly. They had snacks, toiletry items in case you forgot something at home. Not a huge selection, but, I thought it was pretty decent for a hotel. One note on that, though, if you do purchase something out of that little store, be prepared to actually pay for it right then and there. They won't let you charge anything to the room, which, I mean, it's not a huge deal, but just kind of letting you know what to expect. Across from the registration area is a little eating area, and that's where they do serve a continental breakfast in the mornings. The continental breakfast consisted mainly of coffee, some juices. They did have one of those waffle makers, so you can make waffles. They had cereal. I believe they had some pastries, if I remember correctly, some fruit. So pretty basic, what you'd expect. They don't have like the buffet style thing with the scrambled eggs, the sausage, biscuits, and gravy, or anything like that. So just keep that in mind if that's what you're looking for. But not bad. And right next to the eating area, they had a bar. And when I booked it, I did notice in the description it said bar. They highlighted that, so I asked about that at the front desk, and what she told me was that the bar is only open on the weekends. So just another thing to keep in mind. I'm not knocking them for that, but I just noticed that they didn't clarify that on the website. So next thing would be the pool area. So they do have an outdoor pool. They don't have a hot tub with it. It's just a pool. But there's plenty of seating, plenty of shaded seating, which I thought was nice. They kept the area real clean. The water was clean. I noticed the pool was not dirty. It looked like it had been kept up pretty well. I did notice, though, however, that the water was very cold, so I don't think it's a heated pool. Now, granted, this was April, but it was in the mid 80s for the whole time I was down there. So I guess I expected it to be a little bit warmer, but I don't know. Maybe in the summer they heat it, but I don't know. Probably in the summer it might feel a lot better when it's in the 90s and up in the hundreds. So maybe that's why it's not that way. For pool towels, they do want you to check the towels out at the front desk. So, if you're on your way to the pool, just swing by the front desk, let them know. They'll give you whatever towels you need. Elevators, they did have plenty of elevators going up to the higher floors, no problem there, and didn't have to wait too long for them. Very accessible. So finally, that leaves us with the room. And all in all, and I'm gonna after I get done talking here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the footage of it, and you can see, 2 queen beds, had a desk area. It had a refrigerator, microwave, some storage space. Had a view overlooking the seawall, so you can look out, see the ocean, which is pretty nice. The bathroom was pretty basic, nothing outstanding there. Cleanliness, when I came into the room, it was clean. I didn't notice any dirt, didn't notice any insects or anything crazy like that. Can't really think of anything else. They did have Wi-Fi that was available, but that's pretty much the highs and lows. I mean, it was pretty. It wasn't. I didn't feel like it was dated. The decor was pretty modern. And like I said, everything was clean. Everything looked, halfway. Well, I'll say halfway, but looked pretty new. Nothing was really beat up. There wasn't any holes in the walls or anything crazy like that. So that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and let you look at the footage of the room here. Well, all right. That was the room. That's my review. I can't think of anything else to cover on that. As always, if you think of something, you got a question, maybe I missed something, let me know in the comments. I try my best to get back right away. If I don't have the answer, I'll try to point you in the right direction. And that'll do it for my room review. And as always, just take this opportunity to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, if you found it informative, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. I try to put out helpful content as often as I can, and like I say, I always try to answer any questions if you have them. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.